Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use GNC Pre Workout, full guide. Start by reading the label and checking stimulant content, then measure 1 scoop precisely and mix with 8 to 12 ounces of cold water. Drink 20 to 30 minutes before training for best effect and do not exceed 2 scoops in 24 hours. If you have heart issues, consult a doctor first and keep the product in a cool, dry place. Plan your intake around your workout, aiming to consume pre-workout 20 to 30 minutes before you start. Begin with 1 scoop to assess tolerance and only increase cautiously if needed, keeping the total under 2 scoops in 24 hours. For late workouts, consider reducing dosage to avoid sleep disruption. Stay hydrated during the session and avoid stacking with other stimulant sources to maintain safe energy levels. Safety matters when using pre-workout, so never combine it with other stimulant products or excessive caffeine like multiple energy drinks. If you experience unusual symptoms such as chest pain, palpitations, severe headache, or dizziness, discontinue use and consult a healthcare provider immediately. Store the container tightly sealed in a cool, dry place away from children and pets, and follow label instructions for serving size and frequency to reduce risk of adverse effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.